Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, epidemiologist, biostatistician, faculty member. And in this segment I'm going to be going over how to select cases and how to look for relationships in a subpopulation. So let's go ahead and get started. This is meant to be something that is quick and short. So if you go into data on SPSS, you select data, and then go all the way down and hit on select cases. So then when you do so, a menu should pop up where you should be able to select all the if cases and then provide the documentation for that. So here's the select cases menu that I was telling you about. And so what you do is go into the if condition is satisfied, and then depending on what you're looking for, you can select that subpopulation. So here what I'm trying to do is take a look at males, all males. So when I do this, all the females get selected out. We can make sure and check that if that is the case. So if we're looking at all males, then this variable that I know is gender is equal to 1. So that is what is, I know this because this is what the coding tells me. Otherwise, this would be some other statement that you would have to make here. So let's select continue, and then select OK. And then let's see if the cases were selected or not by looking at the dataset once more. And you can see where it was selected. Now that's the filter command. Now let's see what was selected. Now when you run a quick frequency, you're able to see quickly that the only valid cases are labeled as 1. So this is how you know only the males have been selected. Now let's quickly go over what you do for females, and then you can use this technique to try to run other analyses. So again, the question here is gender modifying the effect of 2 other variables? So here this happens to be cognitive decline as the outcome variable, and then diabetes is the explanatory variable. However, the details of that is not really necessary. The only thing that I want you to see and take home is that this is where you can select cases and look at subpopulations. So let's, instead of males, let's just look at females. So all you do is quickly change this to 2, continue, and select OK. And then I'm going to show you the process. This is actually the syntax if you want to save it for other sessions. Now, here is where you go analyze, descriptive statistics, frequencies, and just make sure that the males have been eliminated in this. So as you can see, only females. Now if you were to run a quick analysis like a chi-square, you would have to use complex samples. I'm just going to, for the sake of this, show you how this affects the relationship, and or what to do to realize if there's a relationship there. So here you can do cross tabs, and then rows you can place cognitive, and you can see if there's a relationship with ethnicity. The statistics that we want to see is chi-square. And again, please make sure to use complex samples here. This is not meant to be something that you use in regular regression. However, for the sake of demonstration, I'm just using regular regression. And then select OK. And when you do that, you see not only there is a significance, you kind of see the percentages, and take a look at that. And so look at the Pearson chi-square, and as you can see, the relationship between ethnicity and cognitive decline has a significant relationship in a bivariate manner. And the idea is that when we look at males, this relationship will be different. Anyway, so this is going into much more detail than I intended. In summary, what I wanted to go over is how to select cases and how to run analyses separately between males versus females. I hope this has made some sense. Thank you for listening.